Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn off the quiet mode. If you wrongly just turned on the quiet mode, but you forgot into how to turn off it, go to the setting option. So in this video, it is going to show. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the quiet mode on Instagram? I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to click on your profile. Go to the profile page. Now click on the three dots on the top. Now you will have the first option called setting and privacy. Just click this. Now you just need to click on the time spent. How to use the Instagram, you can see the time spent option. And now here you just need to click on the notification setting on the bottom. And now here you just need to click on the quiet mode. You can see it's a second option on the top. Just click this. Here you will have option to turn off the quiet mode. If you want to edit the time that automatically the quiet mode turn on and turn off, you can just click and edit it by using this option and click OK. Now it's edited. If you don't want this quiet mode to turn on, you just click this and it will say you want to skip the quiet mode. Instead you can skip now for now or turn off the quiet mode. Just click on the turn off the quiet mode. Your quiet mode is now turned off. This is how you just turn off the quiet mode on your Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Instagram content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.